rice husk and bran oil units. With higher per capita consumption of fish, Tripura offers excellent investment opportunities in the fisheries sector. There is ample scope for establishing fish feed manufacturing plants, cluster-based fish farming, fermented and dried fish processing, fish markets, and transshipment yards and aquatourism. Similarly, in the livestock sector, there is demand for modern meat processing, establishing large-scale commercial dairy farms with milk processing, commercial layer farms, hatcheries, poultry feed manufacturing, and modern veterinary diagnostics and animal health care services. We invite tea producers and exporters in building a vibrant tea ecosystems. Exciting investment opportunities await in organic plantation, blending and packaging units, value-added green tea, white tea, rose tea, herbal tea, catchin extraction plants, tea tourism, and tea museum. Tripura is blessed with abundant natural gas with 30 exploration and production blocks operated by ONGC, Oil India Limited, Jubilant and Vedanta groups. Tripura offers investors reliable and cost-effective energy for long-term industrial expansion. The upcoming 253-kilometer northeast gas grid will connect Tripura, resulting the national gas network, opening new avenues for downstream gas-based enterprises. Tripura is an ideal destination for gas-based manufacturing, petrochemicals, fertilizers, ceramics, food processing, and other energy-intensive industries. We are building an energy ecosystem that is sustainable, technology-driven, and investment-friendly. We envisage large-scale investments in the power infrastructure and renewable energy projects. We are planning to achieve 815 megawatt renewable energy capacity by 2030. It is driven by utility-scale solar parks, floating solar projects, rooftop solar installations, pumped hydro energy storage, and solarization of government infrastructure and agriculture pumps. Tripura possesses significant biomass resources in bamboo and agriculture residues, making it well suited for compressed biogas and bioethanol projects. Our abundant water resources create opportunities in small hydro and pump storage projects. Strategic location of Tripura with 856-kilometer border with Bangladesh and geographical location makes it as the gateway to the Southeast Asia. Agartala Aghora International Rail Link, development of Maharaja Bir Bikram Airport as international airport, Moitri Setu connecting Sabrum to Chittagong Port, and Sunamura Daudkandi Island water transport route to Kolkata and Haldia ports through Bangladesh are real opportunities for seamless multimodal transport and logistic ecosystem. Tripura offers immense opportunities in logistic parks, warehousing, cold chain infrastructure, multimodal cargo hubs, electric mobility, commercial pilot training, and aircraft maintenance engineering, heliports, and air ambulance services, and seaplane operations at Dumbul Lake. With an investor-friendly tourism policy, support for homestays, guidelines, and several avenues for ecotourism, heritage tourism, religious and spiritual tourism, adventure tourism and wellness tourism, archaeological tourism, Tripura has emerged prominent tourism destination. We have supported hotel projects on public-private partnership basis, including Taj Pushpavanto Palace Hotel. Investable projects are star category hotels, resorts in tea gardens, houseboats in Chobimura and Dumbul Lake, destination wedding near Nir Mahal, Panchakarma and Yoga meditation centers, ropeways and cable cars, sky works to name a few. Matabari tourism circuit is being benchmarked with the best national and international best practices for enhanced global tourist experience. Buddhist circuit linking important location in the northeast is another area for tourism related investments. To promote the establishment of higher educational institutions, we have rationalized regulatory framework by removing requirements for land endowment fund and built up areas with focus on knowledge, innovation and academic excellence. We invite you to establish world-class universities, campuses of foreign universities, management schools and vocational training institutes. Due to improved health infrastructures and services, our out-of-the-state patient referrals are reduced by 80%. MBBS seats in the state have increased from 225 to 550, and postgraduate seats have increased from 85 to 196 within just 4 years. Tripura University of Health Sciences has been going to be established for proper management of increasing number